Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here is the problem. Accounting for the variation of gravitational acceleration a with respect to altitude y, derive an equation that relates the velocity of a freely falling particle to its altitude. Assume the particle is released from rest at altitude y-naught above Earth's surface. With what velocity does the particle strike Earth if it is released from rest at y-naught equals 500 kilometers? Use g equals 9.81 meters per second squared and r equals 6,371 kilometers. Now let us work through the solution step by step. We start by expressing gravitational acceleration as a function of altitude y. By Newton's law of gravitation, the acceleration at height y above the surface equals negative g times r squared divided by the quantity r plus y, all squared. The negative sign means it points downward toward Earth. We use the kinematic identity, acceleration equals v times dv dy. Substituting our expression for a, we get v dv equals negative gr squared over the quantity r plus y squared times dy. This is now a separable equation we can integrate directly. We integrate both sides. The left side gives v squared over 2. The right side integral of 1 over r plus y squared is negative 1 over r plus y. Evaluating the limits and simplifying, we get v squared over 2 equals gr squared times the quantity 1 over r plus y minus 1 over r plus y naught. Solving for v, we get the velocity-altitude equation. V equals the square root of 2gr squared times the quantity 1 over r plus y minus 1 over r plus y naught. As the particle falls and y decreases, this quantity grows, so velocity increases, which is physically correct. Now we plug in numbers. At impact, y equals 0, y naught equals 500,000 meters, g equals 9.81 meters per second squared, and r equals 671,000 meters. We compute 1 over r minus 1 over r plus y naught. We compute the difference of fractions by finding a common denominator. The numerator is 500,000, and the denominator is 6,371,000 times 6,871,000, which is approximately 4.378 times 10 to the 13th. This gives 1.1419 times 10 to the negative 8 per meter. Substituting everything into the velocity formula, v equals the square root of 2 times 9.81 times r squared times 1.1419 times 10 to the negative 8. Working through the arithmetic gives approximately 9,193,880 under the square root, which yields about 3,015 meters per second, or roughly 3.01 kilometers per second. That is the speed at which the particle strikes Earth. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.